2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to innovation and excellence in touring motorcycles. Celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Gold Wing series, this model integrates decades of engineering prowess with modern advancements, offering riders an unparalleled experience on the road. At the heart of the Gold Wing Trike lies a formidable 1,833cc liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine. This powerplant delivers approximately 124.5 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute and a torque of 170 Nm at 4,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring smooth and responsive performance across various riding conditions. The engine's design emphasizes balance and low vibration, contributing to a comfortable ride even on extended journeys. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual gearbox and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (DCT). The DCT system offers seamless gear shifts and includes features like walking mode, allowing the trike to move forward or backward at low speeds, facilitating maneuverability in tight spaces. Additionally, the DCT models come equipped with a reverse gear, enhancing convenience during parking and low-speed maneuvers. The chassis features a twin-spar aluminum frame, providing rigidity and stability. The front suspension employs a double wishbone system with Showa shock absorbers, offering 4.3 inches of travel, while the rear utilizes a Pro-Link setup with a single-sided swingarm and Showa shock absorber, providing 4.1 inches of travel. This suspension configuration ensures a smooth and controlled ride, absorbing road imperfections effectively. Braking is managed by dual 320mm front discs with 6-piston Nissan calipers and a single 316mm rear disc with a 3-piston caliper. The braking system incorporates electronically controlled combined ABS, delivering confident stopping power under various conditions. The trike also features Honda's Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), enhancing traction and stability, particularly on slippery surfaces. Design-wise, the Gold Wing Trike exudes a blend of classic elegance and modern sophistication. The bodywork is aerodynamically sculpted, featuring full LED lighting for enhanced visibility. The 50th anniversary edition models showcase exclusive badging and color schemes, including Bordeaux Red Metallic and Eternal Gold, commemorating the legacy of the Gold Wing series. Comfort and convenience are paramount in the Gold Wing Trike. The seating arrangement offers plush, heated seats for both rider and passenger, along with heated grips, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. The electronically adjustable windscreen provides customizable wind protection, enhancing the touring experience. Storage solutions are ample, with integrated saddlebags and a 61-liter top trunk, accommodating luggage for extended trips. The trike also includes a smart key system, allowing keyless ignition and access to storage compartments, adding a layer of convenience and security. Technological advancements are evident throughout the Gold Wing Trike. The 7-inch TFT display serves as the central hub for navigation, audio, and vehicle information. Riders can seamlessly integrate their smartphones via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling access to music, calls, and navigation apps. The system also supports Bluetooth connectivity and voice command functionality. Safety features are comprehensive, including Hill Start Assist, which prevents rollback on inclines, and an airbag system available on select models, providing additional protection in the event of a frontal collision. The trike also incorporates a tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS), alerting riders to any significant changes in tire pressure. Fuel efficiency is notable, with the trike achieving approximately 42 miles per gallon, thanks to its 5.5-gallon fuel tank, translating to a range of around 230 miles on a full tank. This efficiency ensures fewer fuel stops during long-distance rides, enhancing the touring experience. The Gold Wing Trike offers 4 selectable ride modes: Tour, Sport, Econ, and Rain. Each mode adjusts power delivery, throttle response, and traction control settings to suit different riding conditions, allowing riders to tailor the performance to their preferences and the environment. Additional features include cruise control, enhancing comfort during highway cruising, and an integrated starter-generator (ISG) system, combining the starter and alternator into a compact unit, contributing to weight savings and smoother engine starts. The trike's dimensions are designed for stability and comfort, with a wheelbase of 66.9 inches, a seat height of 29.3 inches, and a curb weight of approximately 845 pounds, depending on the model. These specifications ensure a balanced and manageable ride, even for less experienced riders. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is expected to be available in dealerships by mid-2025, with pricing starting around $33,000 for the base model. Higher-end versions, such as the 50th Anniversary Edition with additional features and exclusive styling, may command higher prices, reflecting their premium offerings. In summary, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike embodies the culmination of Honda's dedication to touring excellence, combining powerful performance, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort. Whether embarking on cross-country adventures or enjoying weekend rides, this trike offers a compelling package for riders seeking the ultimate touring experience.